Be honest, are your notes and tasks scattered everywhere? I'm talking whiteboards, sticky notes, tablets, wherever. Well, that's me too. But what if you could dump all that chaos in one simple place and it'd be organized and prioritized with minimal effort? Well, that's exactly what I'm gonna show you today. And if you've ever had organized my life on your to-do list, slam that like button. Hi, I'm Chad. I'm a VP of operations and a pretty busy guy by day. But organization has never been my strong suit. My ideas, my notes, my tasks, they're typically spread all over the place. But the good news is I found a way to really manage that chaos and turn that into an organized, helpful list in really less than minutes. And all it took was ChatGPT. So step one is you want to gather your chaos. I don't care where it is. It could be your whiteboard, your phone, laptop, sticky notes, whatever it is, you want to gather everything up. So for a whiteboard, I like to take a pic. For my PC, I like to take a pic. For my scribe, I like to take a pic. For my sticky notes, I like to take a pic. Now there's different ways you can do this. You could take screenshots or whatever else you want, but for me, I just like taking really quick pictures, and then I like taking that and getting all my chaos in photos. Now step two is I drop all those images into ChatGPT, but you can use whatever AI you prefer. I do pay for Gemini and I do pay for ChatGPT. Right now, I just simply like ChatGPT plus better. And again, if you want to battle with me in the comments, please do. I know it changes. Let me know your thoughts on that, but I use ChatGPT. And so for this, I also built a custom GPT that is called Task GPT. What this GPT does is it actually helps me organize all of my notes that I've submitted in a simple way that doesn't have a bunch of bullet points or separation, so I can easily drop it into my favorite task app. It categorizes, prioritizes, and just cleans everything up very nice the way that I've asked it to. Now, you don't necessarily need a custom GPT. You can just use standard free versions of AI to do this. But for this, it's just better for my workflow. Okay, so once I have an organized, clean list from all my images inside ChatGPT, I click on the copy button within my custom GPT, and I will use a shortcut app to break those out into my reminders app on my iPhone, which is my app of choice. Now you'll be asking, why do you need something special to put it in the reminders? Why don't you just copy and paste it? Well, the simple answer is it doesn't work. It has to be broken out piece by piece, which means I'd have to copy each line and paste them in. So what I did is I built a custom shortcut that will go into my clipboard and copy and paste each one of those individual lines into my reminders app to make it a seamless process and take literally seconds. Again, if you want some information on shortcuts, how to build some automation with your iPhone, leave a comment below and I'd be more than happy to share that with you. Also, I'll have my setup for this as well in the description. And so you guys have full access to how to build this. And really that's it. You can take this and build anything you want in any other app. So you can copy into Notion or Trello or whatever your favorite task app or organization software is. So I know that was short, but if it did help you, if you would think about, maybe subscribing, at least liking the video if it was remotely useful. And yeah, you know what? YouTube's thinking you might like this video right here. So why not stay on this journey and check this out? And I'll see you in that video.